gosh. Ang ganda talaga ng kulay mo. Hey! JANINA here! Hello mga angels! Surprise! Nandito ako sa makeup room ni Ate Michelle. Ate Michelle. At sasabihin ko sana, Ate Mamsi Michelle. Pero parang, ang haba nun. So, nandito ako sa makeup room or /studio ni Ate Michelle. And I'm going to explore it. And I'm going to take over her vlog. I'm very excited. So, magsa-start tayo sa labas. Para diba may full view kayo. Okay, so ito yung door niya. At pagpasok mo, charan! 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 Okay. Oh my gosh, sobrang excited ako dito because this is like the background that I would watch. I would watch years ago pa. Before I started on YouTube, I would watch Ate Michelle. And I'm like, oh my gosh, this background. I'm so starstruck! Okay. Dapat cool tayo dito. Pa-cool tayo. Okay. So, syempre, nandito yung MD ni Ate Michelle, the famous MD, aka Medical Doctor Mad Daddy. Ano daw? Pero ito yung Michelle D letters niya na laging nasa background niya. Sorry, ang pangit ng kamay ko. This is from boxing. Anyway, of course, nandito yung Eiffel Tower niya, yung ampersand. Alam niyo ba, ampersand yung tawag dyan? Grabe. Ang talino ni Ate! Tapos may lips siya dito kasi ang ganda ng lips ni Ate Michelle. Ay, peke lang pala siya. Ito, yung airplane niya. Ang cute nito. Saan kaya niya nakuha to? Ang cute nito ah. This one is so cute. May nagbigay daw sa kanyang ganito sa ano na yun? Fan Fest. Drawing ng fans. Super sweet. Ang galing niyo talaga mga angels. Ang talented niyo. I actually have something like this in my room. Share ko lang. Pero, ano siya? Pineapple siya. Hindi siya pear. So, matching kami. Adventure is out there. Naka-plastic pa. Bagong-bago. Uy! Baka bawal yan. Sorry, Ate Michelle. You're the best, sweetheart. You are a blessing. May the Lord bless you. Huh? You are a blessing to me. You are the greatest. May the Lord bless you. Thank you very much. Message sa inyo yan ni Ate Michelle, mga angels. Oh, I have this PR package. This is from Benefit. I love it. It's their Gold Rush blush. I like this blush. This PR package from Benefit. Ang ganda talaga ng mga PR packages ni Benefit. Pwede siyang pang background, no? From Avon naman. Ito! Mga headbands ni Ate Michelle. Try nga tayo ng headband. Okay, wait lang. Mayos lang. Okay. Hey guys! Hey mga angels! Ano ba sinasabi ni Ate Michelle? I don't know. Hi! Hi! Hello! Ako si Ate Michelle. She doesn't call herself Ate Michelle. Hello! Ako si Michelle. And I'm very good at makeup. I'm very good at YouTube. And I'm nice. Ate Michelle is really nice, to be honest. Nicest person ever. Ay, ang cute nito. Parang pang Coachella. Yay! Coachella! Chanan! I'm confidently beautiful with a heart. May mga PR, hair stuff. Ano kaya yung nandito? May mga brushes. Alam niyo ba, ang ganda ng hair talaga ni Ate Michelle. Sobrang parang ang straight. It's so, parang ang healthy niya. I don't know how she does it. Not Your Mother's Refreshing Dry Shampoo. Guys, dry shampoo is the way to go. Kapag oily yung hair niyo, pero ayaw niyo pang maligo. Ligo na lang kayo. Joke lang. Mag-dry shampoo kayo. Hairspray. You know, I don't have hairspray at home. I should steal this. Magnanakaw lang pala ako no? Ate Michelle, tapos na ako kasi I stole all of your stuff na. Joke lang. And then, there's hair tools. Oh, I use this also. Ay! Sorry. May mga PR packages na parang hindi pa nabuksan. Ayan, may mga stuff pa sa loob. Tony Moly and other PR boxes. Tanan! These are her plain backgrounds. Alam niyo yung mga videos na hindi ito yung background niya tapos parang nasa studio siya. Ito lang yung ginagamit niya, yung mga tela-tela tapos she holds it up with may special equipment contraption pa siya. So, sobrang professional talaga ni Ate Michelle. And then, here, May. Sorry kung sobrang hyper ko. I'm very excited to be here. This is my first time to be in her apartment. So, or first time na magko-collab kami. So, I'm very excited. Thank you, Ate Michelle, for inviting me. Ito, yung mga mga PR makeups na hindi pa niya nagagamit or hindi pa niya nabubuksan, natitry, pero gusto niyang i-video. Naka-layout na siya para alam niya kung ano yung pwede niyang gamitin. Ang ganda nito! Ano to? Mini-show lang to, oh my gosh. Ang ganda, oh. Ang ganda ng lashes. Focus, 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 focus. Ayan. Ang ganda nitong lashes na to. Kunin ko nga to. Ano to? This is Mark. Oh, I've never heard of this brand before. Careline. Better than basic. Oh, ito. I want to try this. I've never tried this before. This is the Maybelline Superstay. Oh, ang ganda to ng mga lipsticks. I love their new colors, yung mga nude. Huda Beauty. May Huda na pala dito sa Philippines. May box, says Michelle. May Max Factor. BYS. Ito naman. Tapos, ito naman yung mga makeup niya na nagamit na niya. Stuff that she likes. She has like all of the Vice Cosmetic ones. Cute oh! May maliit siya na Vice Cosmetics. Travel size. She has the Lustros, na di Lustre, and BYS. Brow gel? Brow gel ba to? Hindi, lipstick. Lipstick! May Kylie din siya dito. Later, tatawagan natin si Ate Michelle so she can tell us what her favorite product is, what she does not like, probably how she organizes. I'm not sure. Let's ask her questions. Magpa-fast talk tayo. Wow, boy, abunda. Yung mga Gigi Hadid Maybelline lipsticks, the regular Maybelline lipsticks, L'Oreal lipstick. Grabe, ang dami niyang lipstick. Isa lang kaya yung pair of lips niya. Tapos ang dami niyang lipstick. Grabe, lip liners. Oh my golay. Okay. Oh, I love these. Ibang mga lip. MAC lipsticks niya nandito. Grabe, lipsticks ng tong buong drawers. Buong drawers. Buong set ng drawers. Huda Beauty. Lip strobes. Oh, yung mga glitter lips. Maybelline lipsticks. NYX. I love these lipsticks. They're so moisturizing. I think this is the one that I'm wearing today. Ano to? Blair, Japan. Sa room ko, ito na lahat ng makeup ko. But she has so much more pa. Drawer number 1 is mga liquid blush tints, and setting sprays. Beauty blenders. Sorry, I shouldn't touch that. That's unhygienic. Sorry. MAC Fix. I love the MAC Fix Plus. Oh, I love this. I'm using this today. The Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with Aloe Herbs and Rose Water. The Master Fix Face Studio by Maybelline. Under... Oh my gosh! Grabe! Ang dami niyang eyelashes! Honestly, hindi ako ganun... Hindi ako ganun kagaling mag-apply ng eyelashes. I wish I was, but I'm not. That's why nagmamascara lang ako. Anyway, this video's not about me. It's about Ate Michelle's makeup thing. Grabe, she has Bokto lashes. I remember before in her videos, always her videos, she'd always talk about Bokto lashes. Siya yung nag-introduce sa akin ng Bokto lashes. Then, on this drawer, we have mascara. This is the mascara that I'm using today. This is the Maybelline Hyper Curl. Hindi siya nag-focus. Focus, 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 focus. Ayan! This is the one. Maybelline Hyper Curl. I love this one too. The Roller Lash. The Lustrous. Ang ganda talaga ng packaging ng BYS. Then, eyeliners. Oh! I remember before in one of her old videos, she used the white one of this to create that pop art makeup look. Kung hindi niyo talaga alam, fan talaga ako ni Ate Michelle. Pinapanood ko talaga lahat ng videos na. Okay, let's move on. Move on na tayo. Okay, next, may mga eyebrow stuff tayo. Hey, I like this one. No, not this one. I like this one. The Foolproof Brow Powder. It's one of my favorite ones. The Ready Set Brow. I'm using this today. So may scissors siya. May curling eyelash curler, like a lash thing. Spoon and fork because everybody has spoon and fork sa makeup kit nila, right? I don't know why she has spoon and fork there. Maybe she's like me at gutom lagi. May ibang mga eyebrow pencils pala dito. So this is the mga powders and dip brows, and this is the eyebrow pencils and stuff. Okay, we have basically the drawer that every beauty guru has in their makeup room, which is the chargers, the cords, the lenses, yung mga camera stuff. Yay! So we're done with this drawer. We can move on to this. Ito yung mga brushes niya. I guess kailangan pa niyang hugasan. Mga dirty brushes and stuff like that. I remember these tins. They've always been in Ate Michelle's videos. I'm actually touching them. Then here, we have foundations. Set ulit natin dito. Oh my gosh. We have mga foundations here. May Too Faced, pero may LA Girl rin siya. Inglot. She has basically every foundation you could ever think of. It's here. Fenty Beauty, Makeup Forever. What's this? The Belle, MAC, Becca, Airspun, Gigi Hadid. Oh, this is the CC thing. Again, basically all of them, they're here. Concealers! Shampoo concealer is like one of my most favorite makeup products kasi, you know, acne problems. Pero honestly, Ate Michelle does not need to conceal. She has perfect skin. Literal perfect skin. She has concealers. Ito, I love this concealer so much. It's by Elmer's. It's called Elmer's Washable Glow and it's Disappearing Purple. It's the best concealer. You guys should totally use it. Joke lang, if you didn't notice, I was being sarcastic. That's a glue. Don't use that as concealer. Primers. I love this one. Benefit Professional. This one's really good too. LA Girl Pro Prep. This one's like chill lang, but it smells really good. It's the coconut one. What else? This one, the Becca Filming Primer. Sorry, bakit na-framing ko? The Becca Film Primer thing. First Light. I think it's called First Light. Move on. Here we have blushes. I love blush. I freaking love blush. It's one of my favorite things. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's a little travel-sized Becca one. I have this one, Cheek Parade. It's one of my favorite. Wow, hindi pa niya nagamit. But I love it. It's one of my favorite blush. I have that one too. I had this, but I dropped it. Nasira siya. I'm so sad. Okay, next she has her contour powders. She has the Becca one. She has Sleek LA Girl. But she has this one that I've always wanted this one. It's the contour palette. Contour kit ni Anastasia. Oh, and Hula. That's what I'm using today. Then we have little eyeshadow palettes. We have Maybelline BYS, Sigma, LA Girl. Huda Beauty is over there. What's this? Hypoallergenic? Belle. Okay, next. I feel like this is also eyeshadow palettes. Yep, I was right. These are the bigger eyeshadow palettes. Urban Decay Vice. I think this is the purplish. Yeah, it's kind of the purplish magenta palette. We have the original Naked. Huda Beauty. Ganda! Oh my gosh, ang ganda nito. Highlighters, yes lord. Huda Beauty 3D highlighter palette. Pwede ba tayo mag-swatch? Magagalit pa si Ate Michelle. Hindi naman siya magagalit. It's cream. Oh my golay. Let's like top it off with a... Oh my golay. Look at that. That's amazing. Okay, and lastly, I don't know what these are. Random stuff, probably. Okay. Laging may tissue, wet tissue, wipes si Ate Michelle dito so I can take this out here. So actually, mamaya, magfi-film kami ni Ate Michelle ng isang video. First collab namin! Isn't that so cool? We've never done a challenge together, although like, we've known each other since my first year on YouTube, which is just like 3 years na yun. So I'm surprised that we haven't collabed, but I'm very happy because Ate Michelle reached out to me to do this video. She's so nice, guys. I'm sorry if I'm very repetitive, but I'm very happy. So we have perfumes, skincare, lotions, and stuff like that. Wait, let's throw this. Does she have a trash can here? Wala. Put it in my pocket first. Oh no, I'll put it here with my shades. Then here she has, whoops, mga intimate stuff. Let's just not open that. She has her camera here. And then she has her speakers, which she says she never has a room without her speakers. Music is life. I know, I agree. She has her filming equipment. She also has her closet. Grabe naman. I'm organized. My room looks nothing like this, I swear. And she has a hat, super cute. It says Michelle B. She has her shoes, cute. Oh my gosh, ang ganda nito. Ano kaya size niya? Ang liit pala ng paa ni Ate Michelle. Just for reference, my shoe size is 8.5. I had no idea. Like, I mean, of course, like now I do, but then when I would watch her on YouTube, I didn't think that she was so like small and like skinny, but she's so like She's so skinny and petite. She's so cute. Here, may mga mirror siya, syempre, pang makeup tutorials. And this is her bathroom, which she said don't go inside because may personal stuff and baka magulo, and that's fine. It's just a regular bathroom, I think. And I think we're done. Let's call Ate Michelle. Ate Michelle?
Yes. Go again.
Tapos na tayo, or tapos na ako.
Gosh. How was it? Kumusta?
Masaya. Ang dami mong makeup. Oh my God.
Na-stress ako.
Ate Michelle, everybody, tinan!
Yes.
Ikaw lang ba yung nag-organize nito, Bo?
Opo.
Talaga?
Adik po ako sa pag-organize.
Really?
Yes, hindi ako nakakapag-function pag hindi sila at least maayos. Kasi right now, medyo, ayan, medyo
Makalat na yan, Ate Michelle?
Oo, kasi
Kung makalat na yan, you should see my room.
kasi gusto ko ganito siya. Yung at least may, alam mo yon, yung orders. Ganon. So right now, siguro kasi kakagamit ko lang or ito kasi, ito yung mga ano ko, yung parang kukunin ko lang agad-agad. Pero ito, usually ito yung mga ginagamit ko for makeup tutorials, ganyan. But itong mga nasa ibabaw, sila yung mga mabilisang, you know,
Ano yung favorite lipstick mo dyan?
Okay
Yung
ka?
lagi mong kinukuha or...
Maybelline girls tayo! Shade na toasted. Oh my God, I forgot the shade.
Toasted.
Something.
Oo.
Yun. Touch of Nude pala.
Touch of Nude.
Touch of Nude right now is my pang everyday lippy.
Yeah.
Ganda to.
Oh my gosh. So, ito yung... So, Maybelline yung drugstore brand mo talaga?
Yes.
Ano yung parang high-end, favorite high-end brand mo?
Favorite high-end?
Opo.
Marami kasing high-end dito. Well, I have this favorite na Bobbi Brown.
Never ko na-try yung Bobbi Brown ever. Like, wala akong Bobbi Brown stuff.
Siya talaga yung pinagko-combine ko sa, ayan, here's the Bobbi Brown. Although I don't know, I know, this is not the shade. Meron akong isa pang Bobbi Brown na yun talaga, yeah, kaya siguro siya wala dito because...
You use it all the time.
Yeah. Pero minsan kasi, pagka lumalabas ako, I don't usually get the high-end brands kasi para kahit mawala siya or whatsoever, at least mabilis, okay lang, hindi masakit sa, alam mo, pag nawala.
Thank you, Ate Michelle, for letting me into your home.
Of course! So, ayun na nga, Angels! Yes, tapos na po ang pa-studio tour ni Janina. Bakit siya yung gumawa nun? Kasi, wala, feeling ko siya lang yung mapagkakatiwalaan makakapaggawa nun. Yes.
Oh my gosh, pressure ngayon.
Yes.
Ko na lahat ng
Hinayaan
ginawa
ko siya. Hinayaan ko siyang gawin yun kasi alam ko na magagawa niya ng tama at maayos. Proper. Ganun.
You know, I don't have hairspray at home. I should steal this. Magnanakaw lang pala ako, no?
Anyway, ayun, Angel, sana nag-enjoy. Thank you so much, Janina, for doing this with me. I've been waiting for our collab. And of course, sa channel ni Janina, meron din po kaming collab, which is i-film na namin right now. Yes. And ayan, sana po nag-enjoy kayo sa kanyang studio tour, makeup room tour na ginawa dito sa aking studio.
First time ko mag-studio tour, like makeup room.
Yes.
Hindi ko pa nagawa sa channel.
Diba? So anyway, Angels, don't forget to watch our video in her channel first. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa channel na, subscribe na kayo. And abangan nyo yung mga iba pang collabs ko with other YouTubers. Janina, do you want to say anything to the Angels?
Stay positive, guys. I love your whole family on YouTube. You guys are so funny. I read all of the comments and all of the tweets all the time.
The best
I
thing
love you guys. So, sobra. So, stay the way you are. Don't change.
Stay the way you are now, Angel. Thank you so much, Angels. Kung hindi pa kayo nakaka-subscribe sa channel ko, mag-subscribe na kayo. I-share nyo naman tong video na to kung gusto nyo mag-GV ang mga friends nyo. And of course, i-like nyo tong video na to and i-comment nyo sa baba kung meron pa kayong mga videos na gusto nyo na gawin namin ni Janina. So, thank you so much for watching and see you on our next video. Bye!